Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Repository. Initially, we require an empty list. Empty list in Python is declared using square brackets. I'm going to repeatedly get the inputs from the user. For that, I require a loop. So for variable in, I'm using range function. I'm going to get 10 inputs from the user. So 10, range of 10. On each iteration, I'm going to get an input. So that is facilitated with the help of input function. Input function will always convert the read inputs to strings, so it should be typecasted. Here I am assuming integer list, so int input of. The input which I get is stored in a variable imp. So as soon as I get an input, I should append that to the list. I do it with the help of append method. It's a method, so all methods in Python is associated with an object. So here it is list. So l.append. What should I append? I should append the input which I got from the user. This can be visualized only if you print a list. So we'll print. So print of L.